This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. Thank you for tuning in. If you've got an immigration problem, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help you. Today I'm going to be talking about the pushback against the targeting and demonising of Albanians in general and asylum seekers by the current government. Thankfully, the Home Office's recent crackdown or demonising of Albanians has been met with a widespread criticism and concern. It doesn't appear to me only me that is troubled by it. In short, it could be said, and I would endorse the view, that the Home Office's targeting of Albanians as being the root cause of all the UK's immigration problems is both flawed and unjustified. The proposals, in my view, are discriminate, they're overly harsh, they're insensitive, unfair, unrealistic and poorly timed. What is really required is a radical overhaul of the entire UK's immigration system and laws, and not just for this week or this month or this year targeting a particular group of people, in this case Albanians. Indeed, it smacks of no more than crypto racism playing to the right-wing tropes that are not actually borne out by the reality. The targeting, which has involved increased immigration checks and raids on homes and businesses, is said to be aimed at cracking down on illegal immigration and reducing the number of people coming to the United Kingdom without proper documentation. However, the targeting has been widely criticised for a number of reasons. First and foremost, the targeting has been criticised for being indiscriminate and particularly harsh. The majority, and I stand to be corrected if someone can show me, of Albanians living in the United Kingdom are law-abiding citizens, many of whom have lived in the United Kingdom for years and consider it to be their home. And raids, checks and digging into people's pasts it seems to be causing some fear and anxiety across this particular community. Of those claiming asylum from Albania, apparently over half were granted some form of status in the United Kingdom. So painting all Albanians as nothing more than economic migrants is wide off the mark, if not actually untrue. I've also had the privilege of speaking and meeting volunteers at the Albanian charity CHAGOS, I hope I pronounced the word correctly, which means hope. This was moving as CHAGOS deals with the most marginalised and vulnerable of asylum seekers. It was harrowing to see and meet a young mother who could not feed herself and was hungry and had two small children, as well as listening to asylum seekers who arrived as a family and of whom some are living or on the streets, and this is during this particularly cold weather that we've had. The targeting has also led to the detention and removal of many people who are in the UK and have been living and working in the UK without incident for many years. The targeting has also been criticised for being insensitive to the needs and circumstances of Albanians. Many of the Albanians that have come to the United Kingdom, not done so out of choice, but have come due to conflict, persecution and other traumatic experiences. Albania is fairly, by the Home Office standards, corrupt and not well-developed country. And the thought of being targeted by immigration authorities in what's supposed to be a safe country, the United Kingdom, must be extremely distressing. This targeting has also been criticised for being quite unfair and discriminatory. This has led to, and it's an unpleasant subject to raise, the racial motivations behind the proposals, and has raised questions about the Home Office's commitment to equality and diversity. And the targeting has also been criticised for being unrealistic, as in nothing's ever going to really happen. It seems to me that in this particular case, the targeting of Albanians for this government is a way to distract from its abject failures to get to grips with the organised gangs that facilitate individuals coming to the United Kingdom by rubber boats. In my view, these gangs thrive or exist due to the lack of legal routes from people from Albania and or most parts of the world who want to come to the United Kingdom and claim asylum. There is simply no way in. It is clear to anyone that the government's failure to provide safe routes and then to demonise asylum seekers and Albanians in particular plays only to the right wing and is really a discredit to the UK and this particular government. However, the targeting of Albanians has widely been seen through as a band-aid solution that does nothing to address the underlying problems that face the UK in respect of immigration. In fact, probably what we need is more immigration rather than less, given the job shortages, inflation and the cost of living rises that have occurred since Brexit. But that's another story. Thank you for watching this video. Please get in touch with me if I can help, or I'll refer you on to someone else if I can't. Do stay safe. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Thank you very much again for watching. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.